Today's topic is universal law of gravitation. So the universal law of gravitation was given by Newton. So it is also known as Newton's law of gravitation. According to universal law of gravitation, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, so this is our universal law of gravitation. Suppose two bodies A and B having masses m1 and m2 are lying at a distance r from each other. Okay, so let the force of attraction between two bodies be F. इनके बीच में जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क कर रहा है वो F है. So according to Newton's universal law of gravitation, the first part is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Okay, so if m1 and m2 are their masses, then F is directly proportional to m1 into m2. This is our equation 1. And the second one, this force of attraction between two bodies is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So F is directly proportional to 1 upon r square. Inversely proportional, that means 1 upon. Okay, to the square of the distance. You know that the square, the distance between them is r, so square of the distance, that is r square. So F is directly proportional to 1 upon r square. Now if we combine these two equations, then we get F directly proportional to m1 into m2 upon r square. Implies that F equals to, अगर हम इसे रिड्यूस करें इस डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल के साइन को, इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे एक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी कांस्टेंट इंट्रोड्यूस होता है विच इज कैपिटल G इनटू m1 m2 अपॉन r square. So where G is a constant known as universal gravitational constant. Its value remain same throughout the universe. So therefore this is called universal gravitational constant, and its value does not depend on the medium between the two bodies. By experiment, the value of G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. If m1 equals to 1 kg, suppose we consider a case where m1 is 1 kg, m2 also equals to 1 kg, that is we take a unit mass. Okay, and the distance between them, that is r, equals to 1 meter. So if we put these values in this equation, we get F equals to G m1 1 m2 1 upon r square, that is 1 square. So we get F equals to G. So we can say that the universal gravitational constant is the force of attraction between two point masses of 1 kg and the distance between them is 1 meter. Okay, अगर हम दो ऐसे पार्टिकल लें जिनका मास 1 kg है एंड उनके बीच की डिस्टेंस 1 मीटर है, then the gravitational constant is equals to the force of attraction. Now the important point, you know that the gravitational force between two bodies is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay, so if we double the distance between the bodies, अगर हम इस distance को double कर देंगे तो क्या होगा, F equals to, मैं इसको अभी कुछ नहीं ले रही हूँ, ये जनरली G m1 m2 है. ओके, अपॉन आर स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स अभी हम डिस्टेंस को डबल कर रहे हैं तो क्या चेंजेज आते हैं, डबल दैट मीन्स 2r होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सो F इक्वल्स टू G m1 m2 अपॉन 2 स्क्वायर दैट इज 4r स्क्वायर. तो ये पोर्शन तो सेम है, अंदर किस में आया, 4 में, पहले यहाँ 4 नहीं था. दैट मीन्स इफ वी डबल द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द बॉडीज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स बिकम्स 1/4. ओके, एंड इफ वी हाफ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू बॉडीज, अगर इसी डिस्टेंस को मैं हाफ करती हूँ तो क्या होता है, देखो F इक्वल्स टू G m1 m2, ये तो वैसे ही रहे, अपॉन इस डिस्टेंस को हम हाफ कर रहे हैं, r अपॉन 2 होल स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स F इक्वल्स टू G m1 m2 अपॉन r स्क्वायर, और ये 2 स्क्वायर दैट इज 4 स्क्वायर, और ये ऊपर जाएगा, दैट मीन्स ये 4 यहाँ आया, ये चीज तो पहले से थी. ओके, सो इफ वी हाफ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू बॉडीज द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स बिकम्स 4 टाइम्स, कि यहाँ पे 4 आ गया, बिकम्स 4 टाइम्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन.